Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a bit of training on how to make millions of dollars on the internet with direct sales. Okay, so I created a book called The 90-Day Challenge. You can get a copy at the 90daychallenge.biz, and this is all about 90 days of consistent action. And you're going to be out there posting content on 5 of the top social media sites on the internet. Obviously Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, now you're going to be sharing this content out, but what are you going to be sharing? You're going to be sharing information. Okay, this business, remember, is all about sharing the business. Okay, it's not selling. There's no selling involved. If you're selling or trying to convince, you are in the wrong business. You're being trained wrong. Okay, so the key is with this business is share. You're going to be sharing the presentation. First, you're going to be generating interest. So again, you're connecting with people, your audience, your target audience, which is people who are fed up, in that rat race, in debt, they're stuck in a job, they're not got any prospects. You know, this is how I used to be. I thank the guy, Paul Still, many years ago, when I used to brush the streets for a living, and he walked up to me and he said, "Are you open to taking a look at an opportunity?" And the mind's like a parachute, and I was open, I was positive, I was hungry, I was doing well, by the way. I was 23, I had my first Porsche 911 and I thought I was rich, but the problem was I was trading my time for money. And if you're trading your time for money, you'll always be poor. And this is what when I got involved in network marketing, another nice Bentley there in red. But anyway, this is what I was trained, and literally now, today, I make millions of dollars, live a life of total freedom, live a dream lifestyle that most people would like to have. And the reality is you can. It's all a matter of taking action and, finding a mentor. And it doesn't have to be me, okay? Literally, find a mentor, somebody who's successful, somebody who, is in a position where you are, whether that's, they're a 6-figure income earner or a 7-figure income earner, or even higher, and then do as they do. That's it, guys. I mean, it really is not rocket science. I mean, it's not. It is a simple business. Okay, professional inviter, invite to share your business and get them to do the same. So outside of that, guys, have a phenomenal day. Share the love. If you want to truly change your life and make passive residual income, then again, get back to myself or get back to the person who shared this business and this training with you, and we would absolutely love to help you do the same and live your dream life. God bless you. Thanks for watching.